So we're heading into Gator, Harley-Davidson in Leesburg, Florida. You guys should be ashamed of yourself. There's probably a bunch of good-looking bikini girls just looking for work, man.
No, they're downtown.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they bring their bikes here afterwards. I fix the scratches.
Oh, all right. There you go. Yeah. Hey. Gator, Harley-Davidson.
What is the Beta, Florida?
What is A-Beta, Florida? I don't know. I think we fight for biker rights and we teach people how to not kill us, right? Yeah. You guys in the military? Yeah, I'll just hang on. Yeah, after you. Thank you.
On the first.